Hi guys, so we have a brand new stencil to go with our pumpkin spice collection, and it is so pretty. Look at those beautiful leaves. Actually, these two leaves are done from my drawings, and Stacy Tiedemann designed this stencil for me, and I just love it. So we're going to play with this. You can find Stacy here on Instagram. So let me zoom in on her name in case I said that wrong. So what I want to do is make a pattern, like a background with the leaves. So I'm going to randomly put my leaves kind of going off the paper. I have my handy Wendy Bedsheet Make Art metal mat here. It's perfect to hold stencils down. You can find this mat in my Amazon store, linked in the description box. So I'm going to get some blending brushes out. I'm going to splatter some white paint with some Winsor Newton gouache. So what I'm going to do is put a little bit of this gouache down and mix it with some water. And I'm just going to tap on here some white drops. Try not to get it on my camera. We'll let that dry and then we'll have a pretty cool background. We're going to jump into some Copic coloring. Sorry, the stenciling video, I thought I had pressed record, but I didn't, so it didn't record. But I'll have another stenciling video using the stencil. And we're going to do some Copic coloring here. I'm going to do this pumpkin with those colors you saw on the screen. I'm starting with E97. And don't they look super cute, the little cutie faces on them? I also added the face to the latte cup. I think it just gives it a lot of whimsy. I love that the stamp set has the two options, so you can use the pumpkin and the latte cup without the face, or you can add the face. So there's two looks to your cards. I love that. Now I'm going over my lines with the YR18. And I'm just going to bring the lines out just a little further. Now I'm jumping into YR04. I'm going to go over the lines again and bringing out everything just a little bit further until we have the whole thing shaded in. So I'm going to use my very lightest color next. And then I always like to go over my images twice. I think that it just looks so much better after I do that. I always say if you think your coloring doesn't look good, go over it twice and you're going to see a huge difference. It always looks better when you go over it twice. So E95 is going to be my lightest here. I might change it out. I don't remember. Let's see. But I'm going to fill in the rest of the white space here. I think I realized that I'm not liking this E95 and I switch the color out. Yes, I did switch it to a Y35. I like this blend much better. So you could skip the E95 and just go straight into that Y35. So this time I thought my image didn't look too bad, so I didn't bother going over it twice. I thought once was enough. After scrubbing the whole thing with this Y35, I got a really nice blend. I'm going to put some blue in the eyes. I didn't want to leave them white, so I'm just going to coat the whites of the eyes with this BG000. I actually go in with the E97 and give this pumpkin some colored eyes. So I thought that was another way to dress up this cutie. I'm coloring in the cheeks with the E97, and then I'm going to work on the leaf. I'm going to use some greens, and then I'll do the stem, and I'm going to play some music so you can watch the rest of the coloring, and then I'll meet you on the other side. I cut out a grassy hill with some green cardstock. I wanted it to match my background with all the distress inking, so I got the Mowed Lawn Distress ink out and just went over my cardstock with it. Now I have something for the pumpkins to sit on. I'll get my grass glued in place, making sure that I don't have glue on the tips of the blades. That way I can tuck my items inside. So I want the little pumpkins to be tucked behind the grass. Now that I'm satisfied with my layout, I'm going to add the glue to the back and glue these guys down. So I think they just look so cute with those eyes. Leave me your feedback down below in the comments box. I love reading your feedback. Also, are you a pumpkin spice kind of person? Do you love pumpkin spice lattes? Or what is your favorite fall drink? This year they came out with a new one. It was called Apple Crisp Latte, and it's really good. I had to change it up a little bit because I don't like my drinks too sweet, so I asked for 2 less pumps and an extra shot of espresso. I think it just takes away the real sweetness of the coffee, so it's a little sweet and you can taste the coffee. I don't like when it just tastes like milk and sweet, so I like the coffee taste. So that's how I get my drinks. How do you get yours? I'm going to finish this card up with a sprinkle of leaves around the card. I just love it. And it's really easy to color up leaves. Just mash together a bunch of fall colors, and they turn out looking great. Another idea to color up your leaves is use your distress inks. They blend beautifully. Okay, I am just going to let this dry and then I'm going to mat it on a white card base. I think that just brings out the white frame that's around each image. So sometimes I like doing that. Before we call this card done, we're going to do a sentiment. And I was thinking about doing a sentiment on the front, but then I was like, it's already too busy, and then the word pumpkin is there. I think that's enough for the front. So I decided to put the sentiment on the inside, and it's going to read, Happy Pumpkin Spice Season. So this would be a great card to throw a little gift card in there to your favorite like coffee shop. And I think this is the perfect touch for this card. So I hope you guys enjoyed this card. I'll have all the links in the description box for you. We have several bundles for this release, so I'll have them all listed there for you. Thanks for taking a look and thanks for shopping, and I will see you real soon in the next video. Bye guys.